Have you ever wondered how people keep track of things like money, grades, or even scores in a video game? Well, one of the best tools for organizing information is Microsoft Excel. More than 750 million people around the world use it every day to make work easier. But here's something cool. Excel isn't just for grown-ups. Kids can use it too. Imagine having a digital notebook where you can type, change colors, and even do math without using a calculator. Sounds fun, right? Today, we're going to explore the basics of Excel and see just how easy it is to use. Let's dive in. What is Excel? Excel is a computer program that helps people organize information. It looks like a big table made up of tiny boxes called cells. These cells are arranged in columns, labeled with letters, and rows, labeled with numbers. Each box has a unique name, like A1, which makes it easy to find information. People use Excel for all sorts of things. Teachers use it to record students' grades, businesses use it to track sales, and scientists use it to organize data. But today, we'll focus on the fun things you can do with Excel. Typing and coloring in Excel. The first thing you can do in Excel is type inside a cell. Click on any box and start writing. Try typing your name, your favorite food, or something you love. Now let's make it colorful. You can change the background color of the cell by clicking on the Paint Bucket tool. Want to make your text bold or bigger? You can do that too. Play around with different colors and fonts to make your Excel sheet fun and creative. Using Excel for math? One of the best things about Excel is that it can do math for you. Instead of using a calculator, you can type a simple formula and Excel will give you the answer instantly. Try this. Type 5 in one cell and 10 in another. Click on a third cell and type equals 5 plus 10. 3. Press Enter and Excel will instantly show the answer, 15. Excel can also subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. This makes it a great tool for schoolwork and everyday problem solving. A quick recap. Excel is a super useful tool that helps you organize information, do quick math, and customize your work with colors and styles. You can type in cells, change fonts, and let Excel solve math problems for you instantly. Your fun challenge. Now it's your turn to try. Open Excel, type your name in a box, and change its color. Try a simple math formula, like adding two numbers. Explore different fonts and colors to make your Excel sheet look fun. Ask a grown-up for help if you need it, and once you've tried it, tell us what you learned in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun learning adventures. See you soon.